Hi students, how are you? Of course, nice, very good. Today we are going to learn letters, words and their sound. अक्षरे, शब्द आणि त्यांचे ध्वनी. See, here are some pictures and letters also. See carefully, listen carefully and then say after me. Yes? Okay. G. Goat, शेळी. Garlic, लसूण. G for gorilla. G for goose, hens. In these all words, first letter is G. Yes? Understand? Okay. J. Jackal, koala. J for jug. Jellyfish. J for joker, vidusha. First letter is J. K. Kingfisher, खंड्या पक्षी. K for king, राजा. K for kangaroo. K for kiwi. First letter is K. Very good. Q. Q for queen, रानी. Q for Q, रांग. Q for quilt, दुलई. Q for quail, लावा पक्षी. First letter is Q. Yes? Then I. Ink, shine. I for injection. I for ice cream. I for insect. Very good. I is first letter in these words. U. Umpire, punch. U for umbrella, छत्री. U for unicorn, एक शिंगी घोडा. Uniform, गणवेश. First letter is U. Say after me loudly. Okay? And then complete this activity.